Good morning and namaskar to all of them. In this video, we are using Gradio blocker like a functions. You can use a Gradio block like a functions for using the function, and you can use a Gradio block as a function. So that's just like a simple Python function. Just like in this video, in this lecture, we try to create a function, Gradio block function, just like a Python functions, and translate a code in your language. Just like this is the here we are defining a Gradio. We are translating from one language, English to German language. This is a transformer, import pipeline. From the transformer package, you can import the pipeline. Pipe is equal to pipe, translate, and model is, what is the model? TF5, T5 base model. And passing the pipe text, we are passing the text, which text we want to convert from one language to another, and for 0 from the first, and text translate. Row, we are creating a row and column. With row, we are creating a column. English, text box, is text. Translate button with translate value. And column we are passing the column is German, where output is showing. When button is click, translate, we are passing as a function, translator function, and input is a English, output is a German, because passing this. And API name is translate to German. And next is the example, passing the example, gr.example. Example, I want two example here. I went to the supermarket yesterday, and Helen is a good swimmer, and input in English. When I compile it, it will cover JSON configuration file, model safe, safe tensor, generation configuration, spicy model, or token JSON. And when passing, Helen is a good, this is the output. This is the from here. This is the output. Then I click on this and passing this and translating this. This is the output. And I'm passing the hello, and it will be show the A. When I passing to love, like B. And so these are the words you can, according to this, you use the Gradio block as a Python function. So basically declaring the function. Next is we are using the queuing. Queuing is the process. Basically, you want to add thousands of user working on an application. So how this thousand of event listener or click, how to assess the system, how to compatible. So there is a huge load on your system. In that case, what will your Gradio app is do? Gradio app is do the queuing. According to queuing, it will be allow how many user can consecutively access your system or access your app at a particular time or a particular instance. So this is the info heavy processing. You can, so adding these simultaneously processing the number of user to access your app is use concurrent count. How many concurrent user can access your concurrent count will define how many user access your code simultaneously, or how many number of requests will be processed simultaneously. So no, nothing is different. Just changing is in generate button dot click. Concurrent count is equal to 5. 5 worker process requests simultaneously. You can process 5 worker requests at a time. You can add a concurrent ID. Allow event listener to share the query by having the same concurrent ID. This allow event listener to share queue by having same ID. How many users have the same ID? Imagine that you have set up your setup has only 2 GPU, and your app has a 3 function. In app, your 3 function, all of which require GPU. Between your 3 function, you want to have a single queue that has 2 worker and 1 in other worker. So here, what is do? Just nothing to. We are passing, creating the button, creating second button, third button. When generate button is pressed, and concurrent ID is GPU. Concurrent ID is all the event listener have the same queue by setting the same string of concurrent ID. We also set the concurrent count for the queue to be 2 at a time. 2 element is 2 variable, make it easily to manage the queue. If you want to unlimited number of requests process simultaneously for ending event, then you can also concurrent count is equal to none. It means that you can access unlimited number of user event at a okay. In this video, we cover these topics only. Next video, we cover the streaming, output, and input. If you think that my video is important to us and provide some knowledge to you, then subscribe my channel and like video. Thank you, and we will meet to the next lecture.